starting off today with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we've got the first order. This is Mr. Maple Donuts.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I was not expecting that tip. Total for that ended up being $13. Thank you. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going about 3 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Now I've got a DoorDash pickup.
Last window.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Here.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Total was $3 for that one. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $7 and change. Not bad, not bad. And we got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going 3.5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Total for that one was $6. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10 going 5 miles, 5 items. Goldfish with a Baby Yoda on it. Just got the next order. This is going to be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $9 going 6 miles, only 1 item. Wait, that does not look right. It does say Safeway beer, wine, and spirits, which means it's supposed to be alcohol, but when I look at the actual item, we've got some organic whole bean coffee. I wonder if it's gonna make me ask for ID when I go to drop it off.
Well, if you...
Okay, so it didn't actually make me scan their ID. Just a weird glitch, I guess. Just got the next order. This is IHOP going 9 miles.
Order. You know what you'd like? So I'll enter this, let you look for a minute. Hi. Okay, I just need you to sign your life away somewhere on that page.
Thank you.
Thank you. I guess I can rip that off too. Have a wonderful day.
You as well.
I'm gonna try my hardest.
Total for that was just under $9, so not worth it. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee. This one is $10 going 6 miles. Is that for Megan?
Yeah.
Thank you. You too. Next up, we've got a Starbucks going 2 miles. Hello. Thank you. You too. What was that? Another $4 in the bag. Wahoo! Going back to Starbucks. This one is going 2 miles. Thank you. And yet another $4 in the bag. That one only took 7 minutes to do though, so not bad, I guess. And we got the next order right away. This one's gonna be terrible, I can already tell. This one is Richland Hub going 8 miles, but it is going across the river, so might as well be 16. And I highly doubt this order is going to be worth at least $16. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I mean, close. Total ended up being $15 on that one. Making it back into town, and we got the next order. This is going to be Taco Bell going 4 miles. There's no drink on this, right? Okay, thank you. Always got to ask with Taco Bell orders because they list every single ingredient, and I'm not going to read through all of that just to see if they have drinks.
How are you? I haven't met you yet. Did you just move in, or is your mom?
No, I was just dropping something off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Bro, she has eyes like a hawk. 2 times I've delivered to those apartments. The only reason I bring that up is because the first time she pretty much yelled at me to not park there because it's for residents only. Anyways, total for that one was $8 and I didn't get yelled at, so let's go. Next up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This one is going just under 6 miles.
I have a DoorDash for Amy and a DoorDash for LaDonna.
Is that Amy?
Amy here. There you go.
Thank you. Amy, there you are.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You have a good day.
You too.
Oh, nice. That was a good order, actually. Total ended up being $12 and change. Well, I was gonna keep going, but it's been like 15 minutes and I haven't received any orders, so I guess not. Current time is 11:11. Total, we ended up with 111. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.